Outemu switches mechanical keyboard switch 3-pin silent clicky linear tactile C. Outemu switches. A review. Outemu switches are a popular choice for mechanical keyboards, thanks to their wide range of options and affordable price. In this review, we'll take a closer look at Outemu switches, including their features, pros and cons, and how they compare to other popular switch brands. Features. Outemu switches come in a variety of types, including clicky, linear, and tactile. They're also available in both 3-pin and 5-pin configurations. Clicky Outemu switches are similar to Cherry MX Blue switches, with a loud and tactile click. Linear Outemu switches are smooth and quiet, while tactile Outemu switches have a bump in the middle of the keystroke. Outemu switches are also relatively affordable, making them a good option for budget-minded mechanical keyboard enthusiasts. Pros and cons. Pros. Affordable. Wide range of options. Good build quality. Cons. Not as smooth as some other switch brands. Can be noisy. Comparison to other switch brands. Outemu switches are often compared to Cherry MX switches, which are considered to be the gold standard in mechanical keyboards. Cherry MX switches are generally more expensive than Outemu switches, but they're also smoother and more tactile. Outemu switches are also sometimes compared to Gateron switches, which are another popular budget-friendly option. Gateron switches are generally smoother than Outemu switches, but they're not as widely available. Overall, Outemu switches are a good option for mechanical keyboard enthusiasts on a budget. They offer a wide range of options, good build quality, and are relatively affordable. Where to buy? Outemu switches are available from a variety of retailers, including Amazon, mechanicalkeyboards.com, and Novel Keys. Price. Outemu switches typically range in price from 25 cents to 50 cents per switch.